favorite. Stairs.
Stairmaster.
Nice! To the middle falls. Wow, that is spectacular. Overly impressed with the diversity that it has to offer. In the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina lies a granite dome with an outdoor wonderland. Stone Mountain is located near the Virginia border, just an hour from Winston-Salem. Stone Mountain State Park is host to this massive granite dome that rises 600 feet above the valley floor. It's here that hikers can experience breathtaking summit overlooks, a 200-foot waterfall, a plethora of wildlife, challenging creek crossings, and a 19th century farming community with spectacular granite cliff views. The diversity a moderate hike here can bring is truly astonishing. middle and lower falls is this way.
Not a problem.
That way, the lower falls. The lower falls trail ends, but we struggled to cross this in the past. Oh, okay. Make a note of that. Nice! We're at the end of the falls trail, so there's a horse trail that keeps going out there. But this must be the lower falls over here. Now that way to the middle falls. Hi, Ariel.
Come in and tell me your deepest, darkest secrets.
I was hoping you'd help me create them. To the middle falls. Back up. So we tackled the middle and lower falls, and we're on the Mountain to Sea trail. Headed this way, we should head to the Homestead that's in front of Stone Mountain. Wow, that is spectacular. That's incredible. So we are at the base of Stone Mountain. The leaves had their last stronghold on the trees. The sunlight is shining on those sheer granite rock cliffs here on Stone Mountain, and it just looks spectacular. This is incredible. Stone Mountain, kind of see it through the trees, and we come across the bridge. Oh, that was the Hutchinson Homestead. Now we're back on the trail. We're still on the Orange Blaze. Go around some corners here and we can kind of see the parking lot through there, so I think we're coming to the end. I know this is obviously not our first time on this trail, but every time I'm just overly impressed with the diversity that it has to offer. Stone Mountain itself, beautiful overlooks.
You know, it's a decent uphill climb, but not overly strenuous. It has falls, these water features that you see, and then you also have the Homestead at the base of Stone Mountain, where you can sometimes see rock climbing stuff up the face of Stone Mountain. It's just, it has a lot to offer. It's really a beautiful hike.
The trail dashboard shows us that the ascent and distance are what make this a moderate hike. Just beware that 20% grade means there are some significant steps leading to the summit, but you will be rewarded with simply beautiful views.
Hold on 1 second, I gotta check something, okay?
Thanks for watching. We hope this gets you excited about getting out and exploring on your own. Click to the right to subscribe. Click to the left for more adventures.